What if I told you this dog water cost almost $100 and thousands of pet owners swear it's worth it? Meet the Selene Doggy Fountain, a stainless steel pet fountain that's blowing up online. The company claims it helps dogs drink more water, keeps water cleaner with triple filtration, runs quietly, and holds up to 7 liters so you don't have to refill it every day. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many customers say their dogs started drinking more water almost immediately and love the flowing water design. Others praise the stainless steel build because it's easier to clean and doesn't get slimy as fast as plastic bowls. But it's not all perfect. Some buyers report shipping delays, pump issues, and complaints about the return process. And on Reddit, opinions are split. Some owners love it, while others question whether it's overpriced compared to similar fountains. So, is it a scam? From what I found, no solid evidence says it's a scam. Real customers have received and used the product. But like many viral pet products, experiences vary depending on the buyer. The real question is, would you pay nearly $100 for a water bowl if it could help your dog stay healthier? Comment worth it or overpriced and follow for more honest product reviews before you buy.